Okay, teacher. Good morning, teacher.
Morning.
Okay, so how are you today, Ka?
I am feel good.
Oh, you feel good. That's nice. So, what are you doing today?
I paint
Ah, you
wall.
you paint. Okay, teacher. So, can I have your 5 minutes time first? So, I can talk to you 5 minutes first, teacher.
Okay.
Okay, teacher. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, teacher. That's nice. So, where is the location of your school, teacher?
261 village
Mm-hmm. Okay, teacher.
8 sub district ไทยสามัคคี
Mm-hmm.
district วังน้ำเขียว province นครราชสีมา
Okay, teacher. So, may I know your nickname first? Your nickname, by the way?
กอย
Goy. Okay, teacher Goy. So, nice meeting you, teacher Goy. So, you are teaching in Wangnamkhiao, right? Uh-huh.
เยียเหรอ
Yes, no. You are teacher in Wangnamkhiao, right?
yes
Okay, teacher. So are you ready for my questions? Are you ready? I will ask question to you.
yes
Okay, teacher. So we have different activities in our school. So can you please give for at least four activities in your school, teacher Goy?
Christmas Day
Okay, teacher. Next.
New Year's Day
Mm-hmm.
Mother Day
Okay, teacher.
Father Day
Okay, teacher. So which activity do you like most? Do you like Christmas Day or Mother's Day or New Year's Day?
New Year's Day
Oh, New Year's Day. Okay, teacher. So we have the additional readings and or the resources useful to teaching. So which one are you using? Can you please give at least two?
Math Book
Okay, your math book and
YouTube
okay, teacher. So you wrote some comments and suggestions. Can you please read it?
helps to improve the basic of speech.
Okay, teacher. So I hope we will improve our speech next or later. Okay, teacher. So what are you teaching there, teacher? Subject that you are teaching?
Subject math,
Okay, math. So what are the five vocabularies that you wrote?
money,
Uh-huh. Money,
problem,
problem,
data,
data.
data,
Okay, teacher.
information,
Uh-huh.
ambition.
Okay, teacher. Do you love math subject?
Yes,
Oh, that's nice. So next subject that you are teaching, teacher Goy?
science,
Science. Okay, so can you please give also the five vocabularies?
animal,
Mm-hmm. Animals,
vertebrates,
vertebrates, okay.
fish,
Fish,
bone,
bone,
neck,
snake. Okay, teacher, can you please spell the word fish?
F I S H,
Okay, fish. Okay.
fish,
So the next subject that you are teaching is
English,
English, teacher. Do you also love English subject, teacher? Do you love English subject?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So can you please give the five vocabularies also?
Right.
Right, okay.
Later.
Letter.
Lead.
Mm-hmm.
Send.
Send.
Paint.
Friend. Okay, teacher Goy. Lastly, can you use friend in a sentence?
Huh.
Friend.
Spell เหรอ
No, use in a sentence.
Sentence.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I have many friends.
Okay, I have many friends. Okay, teacher Goy. So I hope, did you enjoy the call? Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Okay, teacher. So see you again on our next FaceTime. Take care of yourself there. Okay, thank you,
Thank
ha.
you. See you
Bye
again.
bye. Okay, bye bye.